According to the Commerce Department, we Americans spent more money last month than economists thought we would. That news helped send all three major stock indexes higher today. Purchases in this country jumped 0.7% in December, a bit better than the 0.5% that was forecast. In addition, Exxon, one of the world's largest companies, surprised investors today with much better than expected earnings. And another economic report said American businesses grew more than what was hoped for this month. As for losers, Intel shares were heavy after that company announced a design error in one of its chips will cut into profit margins. Shares of Ford also dropped after lackluster earnings last week, and today Credit Suisse cut its price target for Ford to $16. Indexes overseas were also lower in light of protests in Egypt, but here in the U.S., the Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P all logged in gains for today's trading session. For MarketNewsVideo.com, I'm Kristen Bianco.